Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on Samsung Galaxy A17. Okay, so to create a backup we need to open up our WhatsApp first. And once we are here we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now click on the settings. Now find the chats, scroll down and find chat backup. And now let's discuss a few things. Now we need to select the Google account on which we want to create a backup, and on that Google account our backup will be saved. So in my case I'll select that one. And now don't forget your mail and password to it, because if you would like to restore your chats in the future you'll need to be logged into the same Google account and that you have selected right in here. We can also enable the automatic backups. In here we have possible modes. I'll select the monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool feature. I'll also want to include the videos in my backup, so I'll turn it on. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But remember that if you forget that password, you won't be able to restore. But it's not necessary to create that password. Okay, once we have selected everything, we need to click on this green button, Backup. Now the process will start, so let's wait a little. Okay, and that's all. Our backup has been successfully made. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.